Here we have the squirrel. He's found his way into the bird feeding setup where I left a small hole in the crate for him to access in and out. But clearly he's caused a mess with the bird feeder, so I'm going to have to rethink and give him his own place to eat inside the feeder, away from the actual hanging feeder. So that's to come. But it's great to watch at the moment. As you will see that the white container on the left that he's just passing has a fat ball in it. That is for the mouse. So the mouse has his food, the birds have the food, they all drink from it. He's actually eating the peanuts that have dropped into the bird bath, which will help hydrate him. A little bit of moist food is not a problem. Thanks for watching.